Folks, the warm, humid weather is definitely back. Readings right now still in the upper 80s in McAllen and Edinburgh, 88 degrees. Everybody else has cooled off a little bit, but not much. 81 in Port Isabel, 83 Raymondville and Harlingen at this hour. Same thing in Brownsville and in Rio Grande City. Now, this is where we think temperatures are going to end up tonight, and that's not exactly chilly, is it? That's kind of back to summer-like levels. Skies may eventually clear out, but I think much of the night, you've got the clouds that are out there now. You've got the very isolated showers, and even if we do clear out, then fog becomes a problem. So by morning, I think you'll see some fog in spots. But by afternoon, I think we're back to at least some sunshine again, and temperatures right back up around 90, especially in the west, upper 80s in the east, with about a 20% probability of a shower or two tomorrow. High temperatures, the normal for this time of year is 88. We'll be above that, but only by 1. And then by Monday, that's where we see a pretty good change coming in, courtesy of a front that's going to cool things off for a good part of next week. Now here's your cloud cover today, and there's been a fair amount of it, and we've seen showers underneath these clouds from time to time, but nothing really big. I was checking Doppler a minute ago trying to see where rain has fallen. It says yes, there has been some, but not much measurable rain at all. Future Track takes what's on there tonight and moves it out, so we see fog by morning. This is 7 a.m. I think most of this moisture is just that, fog, and if it gets thick enough, you can have a couple of sprinkles come out of that, but not much more than that. As the day goes on, we see a mix of clouds and sun. A brief shower is a possibility in a few spots, mainly sea breeze stuff during the afternoon. And we do it again on Sunday, maybe some early fog and then partly sunny skies with maybe a brief isolated shower during the afternoon. It's Sunday evening when the next front comes through. That could trigger a shower or thunderstorm, and through 1 o'clock Monday afternoon, the clouds are still thick. But if you notice, there's an edge to these clouds back here. Suggestion is that the dry air builds in by the second half of the day on Monday. And while we'll start overcast and maybe some light rain early, that burns off and we end up with sunshine by afternoon. And once that sun gets here, it's going to stay here for a few days. It's going to be pretty nice next week. 20% chance of an isolated shower tomorrow, late Sunday into early Monday. That's probably your best chance, right with and slightly behind that front. And if there was 3 more days or 4 more days on there, your chance of rain would be out of that forecast. Satellite shows a pretty quiet day across Texas. We had more clouds here than anywhere else. Fronts up to the north for the next 24 hours, stay to the north. But then here we go, Sunday. Front pushes across Texas, triggers showers, perhaps a couple of thunder showers to the north of us early on Sunday. That front continues pushing south, likely coming in here during the evening hours Sunday. With it, again, a shower, a thunder shower, then a turn toward cooler temperatures. Clouds lingering into Monday morning, but by Monday afternoon, notice they're gone. Things clear out. Drier air builds in. Unlike the last front where the clouds and showers stuck around, that probably won't happen. And I think for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sunshine, low humidity, light winds. It looks like some pretty nice weather by the time we get to the middle part of next week. But before we get there, we get through the weekend, which will be warm and humid with those isolated showers. If you're headed to the coast, at the bay, winds around to the east about 5 to 10, a light chop. UV is very high. The bay temperature is still 79. The surf is 82. There, like here, spotty thunderstorms a possibility. Rip current risk remains low. There are 2 tides. The sea's running 2 to 4 feet. So tonight we're looking at a low of around 74, partly cloudy skies with patchy fog and a brief evening shower in 1 or 2 spots, but most places are dry. Partly sunny tomorrow with a spotty shower, a high of around 89 degrees. We're back to 89 again on Sunday. Late Sunday into Monday, our best chance for any rainfall. By Monday afternoon, we're back to sunshine. You notice the daytime highs cool off a little bit, but look at the nighttime lows, dropping down into the 50s by Tuesday and Wednesday. That means cool mornings and cool evenings for most of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. It is a